pretty nice. Oh, yeah, there's a thing going on right now for the 300 rider. I forgot about that. If only I had my 250 still. That's fine. That was a whole fuck. Like the lady was trying to pass me. I thought this guy on the truck was going to come to my lane and cut me off. The bitch behind me was just like, they're trying to get rid of you. I was like, motherfucker. I think last minute he saw me and didn't go. That's what it looks like to me. Like, come on. It's not that hard to see me at all. I'm like a freaking dinosaur. Like, come on. On the old bike, really. It's not that hard to see me. Come on, girls. Come on in. You're quite a bit slow, you know? Let's see, here we brake for half a mile, you know. This fucking light is thinking about either. It's alright. Better idea. Like, stay here. Which is which? No, this way. There we go. I'm not running the red light. Ha. That's how it's done, kids. Don't want to run the red light? Well, we gotta be careful because, you know, ain't no one can steal your bike, really. Honestly.